Hello people of the internet, my name is Tatiana. I feel like I haven't done one of these in a long time, so it's very good to be back. I have a little haul with things that I bought from Sézane. Oh wow. We're gonna go through what I bought, talk about the sizing, the feel, the fit of these things, and how they look online versus how they translate into real life, because with French brands, very often they are meant for very tall and skinny people, which is not the case for me and for a lot of people out there who might find this video helpful. So here are my sizes for comparison. I only have 3 pieces here today. I have the new cropped Gaspard sweater, the Bilma shirt, and the jeans that were from a collaboration with New York. And with that collaboration, they also gave out this cute tote bag that you can tighten like a little sack, which I think is really cute. Like, it's a beautiful bag. It's this thick canvas material. I'm a big fan of like embroidered, almost folk motifs. This feels very Slavic to me somehow. We're gonna start with the famous Gaspard sweater. They released a cropped version of it, which I thought was super exciting as somebody with a rather short torso. This is something that I feel like should have been the original to begin with. I actually have the original. I bought it almost 3 years ago, I think, so I'm gonna do a little side-by-side comparison. I think it's important to note that the new sweater, the cropped one, is in the size medium and the original one is in the size small. They recommended to size down with the original one, but I feel like they didn't with the new one. And I already felt like with the original one, I could have gone with the medium because it did feel a little tight in the chest area. Like I mentioned, I feel like this brand mainly caters to very thin people. So that's something to keep in mind when you're getting something with buttons that's supposed to be kind of tight. It might be a problem. Like, obviously the sweater is stretchy and it works. It's just, I feel like it was never that flattering compared to the new cropped version. I feel like the color of the new one is a bit more bright. I think the other one is called just red, and I feel like this one was like Carmine Red. I got it from a German language website because I live in Austria, so forgive me if I butcher the names of these colors, but I'm not sure if you can pick it up on camera, but the new cropped version is just this like brighter, much nicer red. But overall, I think it's the exact same thing. It has these like little white buttons. The cut is the same besides the fact that it's cropped. It has slightly longer sleeves. You can wear it the right way or with buttons in the back and it works. But yeah, I think I'm a fan of the new cropped version and I feel like they should have done this one right off the bat. What do you think? Which one do you prefer? I know a lot of people complain about scratchiness of these sweaters, and yes, it is a bit scratchy because it contains mohair wool. It also has baby alpaca and polyamide, which I think make it a bit softer. So if you're super sensitive, this might not be a sweater for you, but if you're used to natural wool, I think this is totally fine. I often wear it with tank tops and I can't really feel it. I think it's totally fine, but really it's a personal preference. If your skin is super sensitive, then stay away from this one. Next up, I got this oversized stripy shirt. It's the Bilma Shirt. I already have 2 of the Max shirts at home and I love those, but I wanted something that's not so tight around the wrists, and I feel like this one is perfect because it's like a little bit oversized, but not too oversized to the point where it looks like you stole it from your dad. I ended up getting 2 sizes of this shirt, 36 and 38. According to the size chart, I'm usually size 38 with Sézane. But with this one they said, oh, it's oversized, you should size down. And it worked out for me this way with the Max shirt. But I kind of still wanted to see what the difference is because I do like things really oversized sometimes. I have to say, I feel like you can't really tell that much of a difference when it comes to the size. If I would want to wear this fully buttoned up and tucked in, I would go with the smaller size, but considering that I like to wear these shirts as a cover-up or like even a light jacket in the summer, I feel like the regular size fits better. But frankly, I can't really tell that much of a difference. Like maybe the bigger one is slightly longer, but it's super hard to tell. I'm gonna have to have a look at the size comparison of the videos that I took, but I feel like you can get away with both. Like if you're not sure about the size, you'll probably be fine with either. Oh my god, is it getting dark? It's getting kind of dark, I have to hurry up. Also, the fabric is super light and airy. It's 100% cotton, but it's not this like crisp, thick cotton. It's rather airy, so that's exactly what I was looking for because I have one of the stiff shirts and I think this is great, and I might get it in white as well. And maybe also other colors that they had before if I can find them secondhand. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know why I thought that I could get away with pants from Sézane. I have tried in the past and it never worked before. As I said, according to their sizing, I'm a size 38. It doesn't fit. It fits tight on the hips and it's super loose in the waist. I genuinely don't know who they are making this for. I tried to pull it down thinking, oh, maybe the waist is supposed to be a bit lower. It doesn't work. Also, it's a bit long. I measured the inseam that they put up and it was supposed to be a perfect length for me, but yeah, it's not. It doesn't work. So I will be returning this one, and I think I will be keeping the rest of the stuff that I got. Obviously, I will decide on one size of the shirt, but I will be keeping the sweater and the shirt. One thing about these jeans, I got them because they have this like interesting pattern. So it's still simple jeans, but they are not completely plain. And I thought it's just a print. But when you look inside, it's all these little embroidered seams, which looks beautiful, but it's not the most comfortable thing. So I don't know. I have to say this one was a bit disappointing. Okay, I am running out of light, so I'm gonna end it here. Please let me know what you thought about the pieces that I bought here. Please let me know what you think about their sizing, because I feel like it's a hit or miss. Sometimes you can exactly say, oh, this will work for me, and it does. And sometimes it's just a complete mystery to find something that would work for you. Yeah, let's just chat in the comments about whatever, and I will see you next time. Bye!